How to draw on CapCut. So this could be work on both pictures or images and videos. So the first, let's go and open CapCut here. Now I'm going to click on the plus button to add a new project. So for example, let's pick up video and picture. So we pick up this video. And now let's pick up a picture to show you this on both of them. So here we pick this picture and we got this video as well. So what we're going to do here, down to the navigation bar between audio and overlay, we're going to click on text. And then we'll be drag this to the right and click on draw. And here we can adjust the settings such as font type, the color of the font, the texture itself, how it should be, and the opacity and the size and so on. So for example, we pick up this one here and we're going to make the color red. And now we go to draw here. As you can see, it's been successfully. Then we click on this button to save. So let's go here for the video, click on text once again, and then drag to draw. And here we'll make this line orange. And here, as you can see, we've made it, and click on this button once again to save it. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.